Welcome to day 5 of our 40-day transformation. Today, let's get started just with a simple standing march. Gentle, slow movements to begin. We're going to go back to the fundamentals today. As I like to think of this 40 days as spiritual spring training. Anytime you bring spirituality and baseball together, I'm all in. For those of you who don't know, spring training is a time before the season starts just to practice the fundamentals, to get ready for the season. And I think this 40 days is just about that. Practicing the fundamentals so that after the 40 days, we are stronger and more capable of truly being that best version of ourselves. Let's start to twist our bodies. Widen your stance just a bit. Very fundamental movements today. We are definitely not going to reinvent the wheel. We're just going to wake up our bodies. Begin to loosen up our joints. Get us ready for the day ahead. I invite you to breathe into one side and out to the other. Sweep your arm across your body. Begin to come up off your heel. There's mobility, strength and balance all happening today. Those fundamentals, the Lent season speaks of fasting, prayer, and almsgiving. We don't have to be religious or spiritual. Fasting from things that don't serve us, breaking free of desire. There's something in our lives that's holding us back. Prayer, that can be meditation, moments of stillness, reflection, almsgiving. We just know that people who give are happier and healthier. Is there some way that you can give more of yourself this season? Okay, let's step forward, arms come up. Other foot forward, arms come up. Simple movements that we do on a regular basis today. Just practicing the fundamentals, getting back to basics. Jack Nicklaus, one of the greatest golfers of all time, before the season would begin, he would go back to his coach from when he was a child, and they would go over the fundamentals. The best golfer would still go and practice the basics of his craft before the season would start. And that's what we're doing now. It's not 40 days, I'm gonna give up this, and then, oh, look at when it's 40 days over, I'm back at it. No. Let's strengthen ourselves. Tune in to those things that really do serve us, strengthen them, and then, we'll be ready for the rest of the year. Excellent. Okay, let's step to the side, open up, head up high, connect to your breath here. Get really big, tap that toe out as far as you can. Ooh, we're building some real great strength in our shoulders here. Oh, mobility in the upper back and spine, yes. Now, see if you can't hover your foot off of the ground. Bring your attention there so we practice a little bit of balance, core stability. So it's a side leg lift, but continuing to open up that chest. Ooh, yeah. Oh, nicely done. Last one to each side. Oh, great. Gonna come into prayer. Very simple and effective. March, bend into it. Get dynamic with the movement here, and let's add a bit of pace. Twist a little bit more. Do your very best. Wherever you're at, it's perfect. No comparisons, no judgments, just movement. Yeah. Last one to each side. Wonderful. Widen your stance. Point your toes out. I think this may have become my favorite movement that we do here in our beautiful community. Sumo squat down, Arms reach up, make a sun over top. Breathe in as you rise up. Breathe in, breathe in, breathe in. Exhale, squat down. Find a nice flow. Really connect to this moment, to this movement. Look up to the sky. Ah, yeah. Great big circle over top. Yeah. I invite you to pick up the pace a little bit. Can you get a little deeper? Yeah, you can. Can you reach your arms up a little higher? Can the sides of your mouth reach a little higher? Oh yeah, they can. We get to move today. Hallelujah. Last one. Excellent. We're gonna step back, a reverse lunge, step over to the side, and come down as far as you can. Don't step all the way back. When you step to the side, we'll take the balance element out of it. You just focus on building some strength in our legs. I can get nice and deep here. On this side, not so much. Focus on what you can do. Acceptance, this is where I'm at. I want to continue to grow, to improve, and I will, with consistency, not intensity, day in, day out. We'll get a little stronger. Develop a little more patience, a little less judgment. Oh yeah. Do your best. Maybe we could have prayer posture here. Look up. Why not? You could even push your hands in together. Push your hands in nice and tight. Feel that strength you're building in your forearms, helping us with grip strength. One more to each side. You got it. Oh yeah. Oh, okay. Let's take our march and get real big. Swing your arm. Get that leg up nice and high. So you got some strength for your evening walk. Basics, fundamental movements. So that we can move more with more ease, more trust and confidence in our bodies, maintaining that independence well into our hundreds. Yeah. Ooh. Let's go. Let's quicken it up a little bit. Maybe you come up onto the ball of your foot. You get a tiny bit of a skip in there maybe. Ooh, this is the movement. Move around your space. Yeah, stick with me. You got it. Oh, lovely. Okay. Arms out wide. That's the movement I'm looking for. Squat down, come up high. Keep your arms out. Full body movement. We're building strength in our legs, in the upper body when we keep our arms up nice and high. When we twist, continuing to create that beautiful mobility in our spine. Just notice. Flow. Can you feel it? Those feel-good chemicals flowing through your body. You got it. Ooh. One more to each side. Well done. Let's spend one more moment together. Use this as a moving meditation, whatever you like. Oh, this does seem to become, is becoming, or has become one of our community's favorite movements. Something about the simplicity, the childlike quality of the simple penguin. You're welcome to close your eyes. That creates a whole different dynamic. Maybe you want to pick one spot, particularly maybe just this tree, and give it laser-like attention and watch the monkey mind. Choose your own adventure here. But just know we are building great core stability, strength, coordination, and balance with this movement. And if we can add that present moment awareness into the movement, hallelujah, what can't we do when we show up for ourselves on a daily basis? Find the movement that works for you, and let's just go together. You can point your toe down to the ground. Really feel that in the ankle. Oh, that's a lovely movement. I lost myself in that one. That was great. Thank you so much for being here. I look forward to doing this with you again tomorrow. Have a wonderful day. Goodbye.